Have you ever wondered where the data comes from when Homebot estimates the value of your home? Homebot's data primarily comes from Black Knight, a premier integrated technology data and analytics provider. Their award-winning Paragon MLS service covers a vast majority of the United States, and their advanced algorithms calculate the estimated values of homes. Homebot leverages Black Knight's data as well as public record data to estimate the value of your home. That's how it works. Now keep in mind that values do not account for any home renovations or improvements you've done since the time you purchased your home. And I know a lot of people have been doing renovations over the last couple years. So if that's you, how do you update your home value to include renovations? All right, here's how. Start by going into your Homebot Digest and click on Tune Your Value. You'll find this right below the estimated value of your home. The next screen will show you a slider where you can adjust the value of your home manually. You can also check a box to get an expert opinion on the value of your home. When you check that box, it will notify either us or your real estate agent, who will get in touch with you regarding value. Now, when you click on the blue button at the bottom, it will walk you through a series of questions, including questions about updates you've made to your home. Any changes made to the home value will immediately be reflected in your digest with a wrench icon indication on the home value chart. So that's it. That's how you update your value to include renovations. If you have further questions about the value of your home, don't hesitate to contact your real estate agent, especially if you're thinking about selling your home. Otherwise, if you have questions about how to leverage the equity in your home or what's going on with interest rates, just give us a call or a text. That's what we do, and we would love to help you achieve your financial goals. See you next time with another Real Estate Digest tip.